Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I am going to show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. First, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. Click Page Number in the Header and Footer section. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose where you want the page numbers, top of page, bottom of page, or page margins. Pick the position and style you like. Click on the style you want. Word will automatically number every page in your document. To remove the page number from the first page, check the box that says Different First Page in the Header and Footer tab that appears. One important thing to know: if you want page numbers to start at a specific number, click Page Number, Format Page Numbers. In the pop-up window, choose Start At and type the number you want. A quick tip: to exit the Header and Footer section and go back to editing your document, double-click anywhere outside the header area or press the Close Header and Footer button. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.